Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Pawar's Classes. Today we are going to learn class 12th Mathematics Part 1 Chapter number 1 Mathematical Logic. Let us see introduction about mathematical logic. What is logic? I think you may have heard this word logic in any condition, situation. In mathematics, we use this word many times. It means reason. For the exactness requires proof. Proof requires reason. This word derived from Greek word logos, which means reason. In language, we use sentences for the communication. In logic, we use statement, which are special types of sentence. So let us see what is statement. 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 A statement is a declarative types of sentence, which are special types of sentences. It has truth value, either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Such sentences are called statement. See, truth value. What is truth value? If a sentence is true, then its truth value will be true. If sentence is false, then its truth value will be false, and it is denoted by capital letter or 2 equal to T and false capital Yeah. Let us see the examples of the statement. See the example. Example number 1. Sun rises in the east. This is a declarative types of sentence, which means assertive sentence, and we know sun rises in the east. It is true sentence. Therefore, its truth value is true. And truth value is denoted by capital letter T and F. But here the sentence is true, therefore the truth value of this sentence is T. Second example, 2 into 5 equal to 11. Here this is the mathematical expression 2 into 5 equal to 11. This is statement, but the value of this multiplication is not correct. Hence the truth value of this sentence is false. And it is denoted by capital letter F. In this type, the sentence which are statement. See the examples which are not statement. First example, following examples are not statement. Which types of sentence are not statement? Say example number first, what do you do? Second, please help me. Third, bring that spoon. Here first sentence is interrogative sentence, second imperative or request, third also imperative sentence, and exclamatory, fourth how, beautiful are you. This is the exclamatory sentence. These types of sentences are not statement. Interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. These types of sentences are not statement. So write down the note. Note. Interrogative, exclamatory, imperative, are not statement. Now also another note, open sentences are not statement. Which types of sentences are open sentences? Open sentences are declarative types of sentence, but their truth value we cannot find out. Such sentences are called open sentences. See the examples of open sentences. Example number first. Mathematics is interesting subject. Mathematics is interesting subject. If we call two boys and ask them what is your interesting subject, these two boys said, one said my interesting subject is English, other said mathematics, and other said Hindi. It means this value of this sentence varies person to person. Such sentences are open sentence. Next example. 2x plus 3 equal to 5. This is the mathematical expression. Here x is not certainly its value we don't know. If we take x equal to 1, then the value of this sentence is true, but x is not equal to 1 or x is not equal to 1, then the value of this sentence is false, and x equal to 1, the value of this sentence equal to true. It means its value not remain same. It comes both simultaneously. Such sentence, these types of expressions are open sentences. Third example, Hari is tall. We cannot find out its truth value, so these types of sentences are called open sentences. See our next point, logical connectives, simple compound statement. Logical connectives, simple. What is the logical connective simple compound statement? What is its meaning? See the simple statement. What is simple statement? Simple statement. Simple statement, it means only one simple sentence. Simple statement is a sentence we cannot split further into two or more simple sentences. Such sentences are called simple statement. It means we cannot split a sentence into two or more simple sentences. Such sentences are called simple statement. Compound statement. What is compound statement? Compound statement, it means combination of two or more simple statement. What is the definition of compound statement? It is the combination of two or more than two simple statement. Such statements are called compound statement. Then what is logical connectives? For the joining two simple statement, we use connectives. These connectives are words, phrases. They are called logical. I hope you have understood all these topics. In this video, we will stop here. In next video, we come with next topic. Thank you for watching.